Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'm going to show you how to create and assign new number series and relationship in Business Central. So if you use Business Central, you already know that number series and the codes that we use for assigning or defining information is very important. I'm going to show you today how we can create a new one, but also assign a relationship between them. So first, you're going to go up here and search for number series. Here we go. So here, as you can see, this is the list of all of your series that you have based on your different information in your software. So you can see the code, description, the starting number, and so on. So let's go down here. Okay, so for the purpose of this example, what I'm going to do, so as you can see, we have resource internal here. I'm going to create a new one called resource external. So we can click on new and we're going to put the new code for the resource external that we're creating right now. And then when you click on the number, it's going to give you this small window where you can add other information. So when it comes to the starting date, it's not necessary for you to have it right now. So we can go ahead and put the starting number. So let's say this is the starting number. The increment by number is 1. So we can close it and you will see that it has already added the information in this line here. But the thing is, we have now two resources, which is a resource internal and resource external. But the resource internal is the one that is selected by default. What does that mean? It simply means that when you're going to create a new resource in Business Central, it's going to only give you the option to create an internal resource. Whereas now that we have the external resource, we want to have the ability to create an external resource if we want to. So how we're going to do that is we're going to assign a relationship between those two so that you are able to select which resource you are creating when you are setting up one. You select the line, which is resource internal, then you click on relationships up here, and you can search for it here. So you will see it is the resource external. You can click on it, and that's it. You've already now established that there is a relationship between the resource internal and the resource external. And as you can see, you can add additional lines if you need to, but for this one, it's not necessary. So once you've done this, you can go ahead and close it. Okay, so now you've already established the relationship between those two number series. Let's go ahead and check if it's going to work. So let's find resource. Let's say we're going to create a new resource. So this is a number here, the series number. So if you click on the three little dots, you will see now you have the option to choose between the resource internal or the resource external. So you can go ahead and choose resource external. And so this is now going to be available to you whenever you're going to create a resource. So this is how you can add new number series and establish a relationship between them so that when you are going to use a number series, whether it is to create or to change, modify information, everything is available to you. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.